Okay, so nowadays a lot of people are the people that are attending JW means are going through that period of time where they've been preparing for a long time, right? So they're just tired. You अब नहीं हो रहा यार बहुत हो. So I would just like to suggest to remember these. I'll talk you through three things that you should remember every time you start to lose motivation and start to lose interest. Right. First one being how your parents would react in case you know it you do not do well. So imagine the situation where relatives, you know how messed up relatives are, right? Especially in India. So imagine that situation where your parents are being asked by a relative that we heard that your child was preparing for JW means IIT JW for 2 years or even more. What happened? How was the result? And imagine what your parents have to go through at that point of time, and how they would have to react, how it would affect their self-respect, and how they would have to lower their heads. So, second thing being how it would you would have to react, and how it would hamper your own social welfare and everything, considering how it would hamper your self-respect, even more than self-respect, self-confidence. How in case if you were to try something new again and you would remember that यार हुआ ही नहीं, मुझसे JW नहीं हुआ, even though I tried to do it for 3 years, I prepared for it and yet I could not do it. It would hamper your own skills, right? And the third thing being imagine and consider how the society would react to it, that you having tried your best, having worked hard for 2 years or even more, and yet could not be, were not able to achieve your goal, your dream. The society in India, I would not comment a lot, but it will always put a tag on you, at most on your family as well, in case you go through failure. Then again, I will also remind you that IIT is not the definition of success. See, you are aiming for getting a great college. IIT is the best, that is agreed, in India, but there are many great colleges as well that you can get via JW. You are aiming for those in general. So when everyone was against you, when your parents didn't think that you could do it, when your teachers were against you, when the society was telling you that you couldn't do it, you are aiming for those colleges to prove everyone wrong, that yes, I could do it, I did it. That is the true meaning of success. So yeah, hope you guys are motivated now.